The Boeing Everett Factory is an airplane assembly facility built by Boeing in Everett, Washington, United States. It sits at the northeast corner of Paine Field and includes the largest building in the world by volume at 13,385,378 m3 and covers 98.7 acres. The entire complex spans both sides of State Route 526. The factory was built in 1967 for the Boeing 747 and has since been expanded several times to accommodate new airliners, including the 767, 777, and 787 programs. Boeing has had a presence in Everett since 1943. In 1966, plans for a factory in the area to be the site of the construction of the 747 were first announced after Boeing was awarded a contract worth US $525 million from Pan American World Airways to build 25 of the aircraft. The company purchased 780 acres north of the then little-used Paine Field, which was operated by the U.S. Army during World War II. The factory was officially opened on May 1, 1967, 4 months after the first workers had arrived to start construction of the 747. Boeing began offering factory tours with the first rollout of the 747 in 1968. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.